we are currently having two cases. On the 19th, we are going to Bloom, where they are challenging the registration. A person who signed those papers is Fikile Mbalula and Nomvula Mkonyan on behalf of the ANC. They are taking IEC to court and us also as an interested party. They are saying our registration was flawed. Ne? Remember, our registration is long ago. But after Zuma said, I'm voting, because the organization was registered by some leader, our commander, who was relatively unknown. Because we knew that if Zuma goes and register it, it's going to make news. And they will come and fight the registration. Then they never contested that thing. They kept quiet. Because they thought that, MK, this is another small part. MK. Then Zuma came on the 16th. Then they are realizing that this thing is this big. They run to court and say now they want to contest the registration. But IEC gazetted us. We followed all processes. They are not even taking MK to court. They are taking IEC. We are just an interested part in Bloemfontein on the 19th. Oh, yeah, so our papers there, the IEC is supporting us. We are supporting IEC. That, guys, you are being unfair. You are using the constitution to fight your political battles because you can smell defeat. They are also contesting the trademark, which is now is a case on the 27th of March. The 19th, we're contesting the registration. On the 27th of March, we are contesting the trademark in Durban now, High Court. They are saying this is their trademark. But let me take you in 1 minute a brief history. The formation of MK has nothing to do with the African National Congress. Because you are a reader, teachers, why no? You'll go and read about the formation of MK. When President Nelson Mandela went and presented the formation of MK in the Congress movement, that we are tired of sending letters to white people. We want to confront the apartheid regime militantly because they are killing our people. Abolu Thuli and them who were elders and the NEC of the ANC, they said no. Mandela, no. You can go and form these things and take anyone to go and form this militant organization, but don't put our name there as the ANC. Don't. In 1961, when Mandela did a presentation of elders, they said this radical MK that wants to confront white people head on were not part of it. Mandela steamed ahead. They went and registered. They went and did a military training and formed Umkhonto weSizwe. Later on, for it to be absolved as one of their alliance partners. In 1994, it's there. We Ekurhuleni ngisho Mabura, DJ Mabura. Putwam. 93, I think, to be specific, Mandela called a rally, which was less attended on history. Called the rally to formally disband MK. I don't know whether people know that. Formally said, now we are disbanding. Krizani was crying tears, saying, as a chief of staff of Umkhonto weSizwe, I've lived with this comrade. They died on the trenches, ready to come and confront the apartheid regime head on. Why are we disbanding it without consulting the leadership of MK?
I think there's a video like that, ne?
Yes.
When you were still alive, Chrisan.
Disbanded it. After disbanding it, they formed MK Association, MK Militant Veterans League, as an association to take care of the needs of MK, former MK soldiers. Just make sure that they have houses, they have food, and so on and so forth. Also, Cyril never stopped there. He disbanded that association immediately when after removing Zuma. Now President Zuma comes out from a political dustbin, something which is broken, neglected, abandoned. He takes this thing, he renovates it, he polishes it, he puts back on the center stage of the South African politics. Now they are crying tears. They are crying like ambulance. It's ours. But why would be something yours while you disbanded and neglected it? In law, there's something which is called the abandonment of rights. They abandoned this thing. Then we took it. Now, because this thing is shining, they want to reclaim it. So MK is ours. MK belongs to Zuma. MK belongs to black people of this country who want change.